Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into something truly special. Something that blends classic American truck heritage with a modern custom-built personality. We're looking at this 2026 Ford F-100 pickup. A truck that revives the spirit of the original but reimagines it for today's world. What you're seeing here is a full custom modern build. Keeping the soul of the classic F-100 alive while giving it the performance, finish, and presence you'd expect from a premium 2026 show truck. So let's walk through every detail, inside and out, and really understand what makes this machine so unique. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. This truck wears an incredibly vibrant orange finish that makes it impossible to ignore. The classic F-100 silhouette is fully intact, but everything has been smoothed, tightened, and refined. The fenders are beautifully sculpted, the body lines are clean, and the panels have been perfectly aligned so the reflections glide across the paint like glass. The rear end, especially, shows just how much care has gone into this build. The taillights are slim and modernized, integrated vertically on each side for a sleek appearance while still respecting the old-school shape. The bumper area is reworked with a smooth lower valance and quad exhaust tips that hint at serious performance. Even the tailgate looks crisp, with no unnecessary trim or hardware visible from the outside. It's clean, bold, and modern, yet unmistakably a tribute to the 1950s F-Series moving around the truck. The chrome wheels immediately stand out. They're polished to a mirror shine and give the truck a stance that mixes show truck style with street performance energy. The tires sit perfectly flush under the widened fenders, and the lowered suspension gives it that aggressive, planted look that tells you this isn't a museum piece, it's built to be driven. The side profile keeps everything smooth and uninterrupted. The steps beneath the doors look custom fabricated, tucked in cleanly, and color-matched to the body. Small details like the door handles, mirrors, and drip rails have all been either shaved down or smoothed out, giving the truck a seamless, almost futuristic version of its original form, swinging to the front. Though we're not seeing it from this angle, you can imagine the same modern retro design language carrying through. Most builds of this caliber feature LED lighting with vintage housings, updated grills, and custom metalwork that preserves the heritage but elevates the craftsmanship. It's the kind of truck where every inch tells a story of hands-on work, creativity, and vision, opening the door and stepping inside. The interior carries the same blend of vintage charm and 2026 refinement. While the classic framework is there, the upright windshield, the signature cab shape, the simplicity of the space, everything else has been elevated to a premium, modern feel. Expect high-quality leather across the seats, door panels, and dashboard, possibly in a stitched pattern that contrasts beautifully with the exterior paint. The gauges are likely digital with retro-inspired fonts, giving the driver all the information they need without sacrificing style. The steering wheel is probably a custom mix of old-school design and new technology. With a refined center hub and modern controls subtly integrated, the cabin likely includes a hidden or floating touchscreen for audio, navigation, and vehicle settings, keeping convenience without compromising the vintage look. Modern air conditioning, crisp audio, ambient lighting, and precision machine knobs make the experience far more comfortable and luxurious than any original F-100 ever was. Even the pedal setup, the shifter, and the floor materials are all upgraded to give that premium custom feel. This is the kind of interior where every surface feels thoughtfully chosen, every stitch intentional, and nothing is left stock unless it adds to the nostalgia. Now let's talk performance, because looks like these usually come with serious power under the hood. A 2026 Restomod F-100 like this typically runs a modern V8 crate engine, something like a Coyote 5.0, a supercharged performance block, or even an all-electric swap depending on the builder's vision. Judging by the quad exhaust tips seen at the back, this truck is most likely running a high-performance gas engine with a deep, aggressive tone. Expect horsepower numbers anywhere from 450 to well over 600 depending on tuning and setup. The suspension, clearly lowered, is likely a full coilover or air ride system designed to give the truck that low stance while still allowing smooth, responsive driving. Upgraded brakes, probably large disc setups front and rear, ensure the truck stops as confidently as it accelerates. Driving this kind of build is an experience all its own. It has the charm of a 1950s truck, the tall windows, the upright seating, the commanding road presence, but with the smooth power delivery, stability, and handling of a modern performance machine. You get the rumble of the engine, the clean shifts, the tight steering response, and the comfort of modern engineering all wrapped in a nostalgic shell. It's equal parts memory lane and next-generation thrill when it comes to pricing. A fully built Restomod F-100 of this quality is not cheap. These builds easily reach six-figure territory, often starting around $120,000 and sometimes climbing past $200,000, depending on engine choice, interior craftsmanship, fabrication work, and paint quality. A truck like the one we're looking at, given its flawless finish, custom wheels, modern lighting, reworked body panels, and clearly detailed craftsmanship, would likely sit on the higher end of that range. These aren't factory products, they're handcrafted projects, and every hour of labor adds to the value. As for suggestions, there are always ways to push a build even further. Adding a full digital rearview mirror would modernize visibility without altering exterior looks. Installing adaptive suspension controls could make the truck more flexible between show stance and daily driving height. An optional electric powertrain, if not already equipped, could bring the entire build into the future with instant torque and near-silent operation. Additional custom storage solutions in the bed or a hidden-to-know cover could increase functionality while keeping the clean design intact. But honestly, judging by the execution visible here, the builders of this 2026 F-100 already had a clear vision, and they delivered it beautifully. In the end, what we're looking at is more than just a truck. It's a piece of automotive art, a fusion of history and innovation. It captures the soul of the original Ford F-100 but expresses it through today's capabilities, materials, and creativity. It's timeless yet modern, simple yet sophisticated, classic yet future-ready. And that balance is what makes a custom 2026 F-100 build so compelling. Thanks for watching this full breakdown. If you enjoyed diving into this Restomod masterpiece, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future deep dive reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe, stay inspired, and keep the classics alive.